Today we are going to speak about the topic conditional statements. Conditional statements in C++ is if else and switch statement. Now in conditional statements C++, it is divided into two types. What are it is? It is if else and switch statement. In if else, number of if statements are there. Normal if, next if else statement, if else if and nested. In if statement, we are going to check the condition. If the condition is true, the true block statement is going to be executed. Next in if else, two part of statements are there. If the condition is true, true block is going to be executed. Else it going to be executed. Else false statement is going to be executed. In else if number of conditions can be tested. Nested if it is the condition is going to correct, next condition is going to check up. It is one if is nested to the another if. This is an if statement. What is an if statement? It is a simple if. Just it going to test the condition. If the condition is true, statement is going to be executed. If the condition is false, it is going out of the loop. So what will be the definition? The condition to be tested is any expression excluded in parenthesis. The expression is evaluated and if it is value is non-zero. So this will be the syntax expression statement, and if the condition is true, this block of statement is going to be executed. Example of if statement: a equal to 5. We are giving the variable a is equal to 5. We are testing the condition whether the given variable is equal to 5 or not. So if it is true, a is equal to 5 is going to be written as an output, else it going to return 0 as an output. If else statement. If else statement, two statements are there. That is, the if else statement is used to execute one block of code if the specified condition is true and another block of code if the condition is false. So it is going to test the condition expression. If the condition is true, first block of statement going to be executed. If the condition is false, in else part false block of statement is going to be executed. Next is example, same example as an if statement. It is we are giving main, we are including the program and initializing the variable as a is equal to 10. Here we are checking the condition as a is equal to 5. If the condition is true, here condition is true, first block of statement, else the other block false part is going to be executed. So now we are initializing the variable value as a 10. So 10 is not equal to 5. So in this program the output will be a is not equal to 5. Then in if else if condition, this is else if ladder. What will be? Many number of condition can be tested by these statements. Example here, the if else statement. What is will be the definition? It is used to execute one block of code if a specified condition is true, another block of code if another condition is true in the default block. So in flowchart, we are going to start the program. First condition 1. If the condition 1 is correct, the first statement is going to be executed. After the statement is executed, it comes to the exit blocker. If the first condition is not true, it goes to the second condition to test. So now second condition is going to be tested. If the second condition is true, statement 2 is going to be executed. If the second condition is false, it is going to test for the another condition 3. In this same as it is, if none of the condition is true, else body, it comes to the statement exit statement. Example for this is simple example. In main statement a is equal to 15. Now we are checking the two condition here. Our given variable number is a is equal to 15. So first condition is a is equal to 5. If a equal to 5, it is going to print the statement a is equal to 5. So this condition is false because 15 is not equal to 5. So we are testing to the another condition, else if a equal to 10. So here now given variable is 15, so 15 is not equal to 10. So it leaves the statement. Finally it comes to the else part. C out a is not equal to 5 or 10. This is the output for this program. Switch statement. Switch statement. The switch case statement is an alternative to the if-else ladder that can be used to execute the conditional code based on the value of the variable specified in the switch statement. The switch block consists of cases to be executed based on the values to the switch variable. So in this also we can check as it is an else if ladder, but it has many condition code to be executed, and every code executed case statement is diverted to the default statement by using the break statement. As soon as a certain break statement it is given, it exits from the loop, it comes out of the loop. Just it stops its execution and it has come out of the loop. Here this will be the flow chart. Expression first constant is checking, that is case values. We are giving the different case values. First case values is just equal to the constant. If the condition is true, first block code is going to be executed. After that it comes to the terminator exit control. If first constant value is not true, it checks for the further on next constant values. So on switch case is going to be executed. This is a simple example and a simple calculator using the switch statement. Simple program hash include IO statement using namespace then main. We are declaring as an operator. This is for the simple calculator program. So for calculator program what we need is 2 operand and 1 operator. This is the common. So 2 operand and 1 operator. So here we are taking the operand as a num1 and a num2. In float we are going to declare and character operator. So see here enter an operator. Here what are all operations we are going to add? It's going to be addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we are going to enter the operator. Next entering the two numbers. We are going to enter the two numbers. Now we are going to use the switch case. So switch operator. We are going to select the what will be the expression operator we are going to select. Next case plus, if going to be plus addition, we are going to take two numbers, then we are adding the two num values by the adding the plus operator. Then by subtraction, we are as it is we are taking the two num values and subtracting, so on multiplication, division, so on. Then default statement is operator. It does not miss any case statement. Then what is going to be displayed is error. The operator is not here correct. So this will be the output. First we have to enter what is the operator we are going to use, and we are going to then two numbers going to be entered. So after that whether it is plus, minus or star, saying the operator and operand.